Assalamualaikum friends. I'm Aruba and I'm the proud princess of Syed Shahid. I'm the student of ICOM from Government Premier College. I'm also the student of PIL and in myself I'm a struggle. And today I want to share my opinions regarding Kashmir. Kashmir is a piece of heaven on the earth and it is repelled with the beauties and amazing scenes. It has sky-touching mountains, it has dense forest, it has lakes, it has snow-covered peaks, it has lots of things that are the source of pleasure to the soul. No one can deny with the beauties of this land, but unfortunately, the inhabitants of Kashmiris are facing the cruelty of Indian armies. They are suffering in the slavery from 1947. The Indian armies are making and showing the attitude as like animal. That is not like just an animal. That is more bad or better than an animal. They are not thinking that these are also human. Just think about that. They are also human. They also feel pain. They also have emotion. They also have feelings. At this point, I want to say that हर तरफ खिले हुए गुलाब हैं, हर तरफ खिले हुए गुलाब हैं, हर गुलाब में हजार ख्वाब हैं, ख्वाब सारी उम्र के अजाब हैं, ख्वाब सारे उम्र भर के अजाब हैं, पानियों में जिस तरह हबाब हैं. The population of Kashmir is 8.5 million, but the 75% are the Muslims, and they are Muslim. That is therefore, just because of that, they are facing this all, and today they are on this situation. There are also the number of people who are saying that it is not our matter, or just say that they are facing really cruelty. They are not doing anything, and the people who think that it's not our personal matter, we are safe, our lives are safe, so we don't have need to do anything. We should keep ourselves apart from that, from this all. It's not right. This is not right. Today you are not going for others, so on next day no one will come to you. Today you are not thinking about anyone else. On tomorrow no one will think about you. Don't make yourself apart from this one. You also are a Muslim. They are also a Muslim. They are facing a cruelty. Mothers are losing their sons. Wives are losing their husbands. Sisters are losing their brothers. Or the peoples are losing each and other. Today you are too much emotionally attached with your own peoples. So they are also human. They are also feeling pain when someone apart their loved one from their self. Must think about them. At this point, I want to add this line that सुना है खून सस्ता है वहाँ का, सुना है खून सस्ता है वहाँ का, वो एक वादी है जिसे लोग कश्मीर कहते हैं. The Kashmir is a place where the Muslims are slaughtering. Muslims are slaughtering like an animal. The value of Muslims' blood are nothing. There is no a little bit importance of Muslim blood that is there as like a water, a rough water, a useless water. It is the importance of a Muslim blood. But by closing this topic, I want to say that it's still in my heart. There is a light, there is a hope that inshallah so soon all the Muslims will be gathered. All the Muslims will gather and support the Kashmir and give the chance to Kashmiris to take a deep breath in pure environment. For a long they haven't available any environment to take a pure breath with relaxation. In the last thing, I want to say that टूटेगी हर एक जंजीर तेरे नाम से एक कश्मीर, टूटेगी हर एक जंजीर तेरे नाम से एक कश्मीर. ये खून शहीदों का, ये नूर उम्मीदों का, हम मिलकर बचाएंगे ये लुटते हुए घर. टूटेगी हर एक जंजीर तेरे नाम से एक कश्मीर. Thank you so much for paying me your special attention.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon, so you never miss any new updates, cause whenever we upload new video you will get a notification on your phone.